Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we're still, you still have this lower high. There's your second high of the double top, lower high, 99.75 low. We pushed down to, what was it, 05.75 yesterday. They're trying to bounce back a little bit from that. The bears have an opportunity. They need to get to below 2,800 and stay there. They need to deal with the 200-day exponential on the continuation chart, which is 79. On the front month chart, it's 27.97. So it's tucked right underneath this low. So 2,800 is a big deal. On the hourly, you can see we got lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Bears need another lower high. If they can break this low, then we'll deal with 2,800 today. What do the bulls want to do? They want to hold daily pivot. They want to hold the hourly midband. They want to climb back up above weekly pivot and make another run at the daily midband up here at 80. So we spent most of yesterday short. Short 32.5, that was a nice one. We got short 24.25, that was a nice one. Right now, we got long 20.75 in and around the close, and we've taken, about took 7 on the first third, took 17 in the middle, and we're just letting the runner run into the open. So these trades we've been doing in and around the close that have run into Globex have been really nice for the last week. I mean, they're really, really nice. We've been waking up with our days done. So, and we continue to day trade and do our thing during the day, but it's great to have that in your back pocket just about every day for the last 3, 4, 5 sessions. So it's a great tape if you're a trader. We're not really going anywhere up or down, but we are trading in a really nice range, as you can see there on the hourly chart. So off the open today, what's important? 32 is very important. That's where we opened it yesterday. It's what they've been battling over for the last 20, 30 minutes. The 5-minute mid-band comes in at 33.5. Volume weighted average price, 32.16. So I'll be interested to see if 32 wants to stay support and whether the bulls can convert 40. If they can convert 40, then they can head up to the weekly pivot. We're heading into a long weekend. You always have to kind of be looking to see if they want to do some kind of a walk up into the holiday. That works for most holidays. Didn't work in Christmas time of 2018. That was a train wreck to the downside. So we'll see. Keep an open mind. If they convert 32, I think they can come back. Certainly retest the daily pivot at around 20, call it 28.32. Test that hourly midband at 27.75. If they convert that, it opens up a move to 20. All right, take care, trade them well. Have a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy your festivities, but remember the meaning of this holiday. A lot of people gave the ultimate sacrifice so we can be as free as we are today, and that's something that means a lot to me, and I know a lot of you out there. Take care, trade them well. I'll see you Tuesday. See you Tuesday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.